Mahesh and Ramesh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of rupees 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Interest on capital is agreed at 8% per annum. Interest on drawings is fixed at 10% per annum. The drawings of the partners are 15,000 and 10,000. The interest for Mahesh is 750 and Ramesh is 500. Mahesh is entitled to a salary of 12,000 per annum. Ramesh is entitled to a commission of 10% on the net profit before charging such commission. The net profit of the firm before making the above adjustments were rupees 60,000 for the year ended 31st March 2005. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So let us open profit and loss appropriation account. So this is going to be the format. You have the heading in the books of the firm, profit and loss appropriation account. You have debits, credits. So on the debit side, date, particulars, amount, and on the credit side I have the same. Okay, to start with, we should capture the net profit, because here we have the net profit of the firm before making the above adjustments of 60,000. So let me capture that. By net profit brought down, and what was the amount? It was 60,000, right? So we have captured the net profit. Then we have some more information, and let me capture the item that can find place on credit side. So interest on capital should find place on debit side, but we have interest on drawings which is fixed at 10% and the amount is calculated already. It is 750 and 500 because we don't know when this drawings were happened. Okay, so the interest on drawings for Mahesh and Ramesh are 750 and 500, so we can directly take it to the credit of profit and loss appropriation. So let us do that. It is by interest on drawings. By interest on drawings, first let's capture for Mahesh. So for understanding purpose, I'll put it here in the inner column. Mahesh, it is 750. Then we have Ramesh, it is 500. Okay, so its total should appear on credit side, which is 1250. Then now we'll see the items that will appear on debit side. We have interest on capital, which is agreed at 8%. So this should be calculated on the capital, which is 50,000 and 40,000. So we'll provide for that on the debit side, and we should capture the date. I think we have missed out the dates. Let me pick up. See, the net profit of the firm before making the above adjustment for the year ended 31st March 2005 is 60,000. So I have to capture the date 31st March 2005. Fine. And what about the interest on drawings? Same date, because it is calculated at the end of the year. Then interest on partners capital, right? That should also happen on end of the year. So I'll just copy paste same date. Fine. Now I'll write to interest on capital, one for Mahesh, the other one for Ramesh. So I'll put it in inner column first. For Mahesh, what is the information we have? Mahesh contributed 50,000 and on which we have to pay 8%. So it is 50,000 multiplied by 8%. That's 4,000. And Ramesh contributed 40,000 multiplied by 8%. So it is 40,000 multiplied by 8%. And it's 3,200. So now we can sum these two. So total interest on capital is 7,200. Then any other item apart from interest, drawings interest covered, then Mahesh is entitled to a salary of 12,000. So let's capture, and we'll assume same date to salary basically for Mahesh. And what was the amount? It's 12,000. Then Ramesh is entitled to a commission of 10% that will be calculating. Then eventually we'll get the profit, and that profit will be distributed between Mahesh and Ramesh in the ratio of 3:2. So now our next challenge is finding commission. So that should also be on this date. Okay, to commission, and I think it's not Mahesh, it's Ramesh. Yeah, it is for Ramesh. So how we are going to find this? For this, I think we need a working note, because question says Ramesh is entitled to get a commission of 10% on the net profit before such commission. Okay, so now we know the items appearing on the credit and there are two items on the debit. So from this credit, if we can subtract these two debit items, we get to know what is the net profit before commission. On that, commission have to be calculated. So what I'll do, over here I'll open a small working note. I'll mention working note for computation of commission, right? So what are the items that are appearing on credit? So I'll say total credit, and it's going to be simple. I can simply sum these items. I mean, there are two items on the credit, which is 61,250. Now from this I should subtract total debit, the items that are appearing on the debit. So it's again two items, there's 7,200 and 12,000, right? So now I can find out profit before commission. This is profit before commission, basically A minus B. 61,250 minus 19,200, 42,050. And what is the commission rate? It is 10%. 10% commission on above. That's it. So commission is 42,050 into 10%, and it's 4,205. That's all. So this 4,205 should go to profit and loss appropriation. So let me go here. I'll say commission for Ramesh, I'm going to pick up from this, which is 4,205. So now I have a picture of commission. So I think now I can go and find out what is my profit. But that profit got to be distributed between the partners in profit sharing ratio. So now let me total this. So the total is so much, 61,250. On the debit side we have lesser, so I can carry this, because on the debit side we have hardly three items, which all put together around 23,400. So now I have to find out the difference here. 61,250 minus total of these three items. So I get 37,845. This is nothing but the profit which should be transferred to partner's capital account. So what I'm going to say, or what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to distribute this in profit sharing ratio. So I'll pick up this date and I'll say to profit transfer to partners capital account, right? So let me just do a wrap. Yeah. So who are my partners? One is Mr. Mahesh, the other one is Ramesh. And what is the profit sharing ratio? It is 3:2. It means Mahesh will get 3 by 5, Ramesh will get 2 by 5. So I'll take this profit, multiply by 3 by 5. So that will give me the profit share of Mahesh, and it is 22,707. Similarly, Ramesh, I'll take this profit, I'll multiply by 2 by 5, and it is 15,138. So in this way we have prepared profit and loss appropriation. We have also determined that critical item commission.